Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the airplane mode in oppo. So before I start the video, so please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And first of all what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. So you have to press the setting, then you see your connection and sharing, so you just need to press this one. So you see here first one, airplane mode, so you just need to on this button. So it is done now. So if you want to off it also, you just need to press this one, this button. So airplane mode has been off and on. If you want to on it, you just press it on, then you have to wait. So it is done now. So if you want to off it also, you just need to press this one. So airplane mode has been off. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.